Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Lucidchart, which is a website that lets you create flowcharts. So let's head over to the website, which is lucidchart.com. Lucidchart. Click on the sign up free button. You will need to create an account, but don't worry, it's free as long as you click on the start free button. Once you create an account and sign in, this is going to be your main dashboard, and they are going to have recommended templates for you. Also on the side under Education Center, they also have a lot of video tutorials to help you get used to making flowcharts. So documents here is going to be all of the documents that you've created with them, and then templates over here will also give you a list of templates you can choose from. But today we are going to just make a completely blank one. So I'm going to hit on the plus sign, and then under Lucidchart, I'm going to hit blank document. It also lets you add collaborators if you'd like. You can just X out of this or hit no. Now we can create our flowchart. Using the shape options on the left-hand side, we can drag and drop our shapes that we would like onto our page here. Let's just do a circle. So drag and drop. You can use the corners here to make it larger or smaller if you'd like. And the A here is actually for text, so you can double click that. But let's say you dragged a shape and you don't have anything here. If you want, just hit on the T, click and drag it over where you would like, and then double click on the text and you can start typing. So I'm just going to make up a flowchart as we go. And then we can also use these corners to change the shape of our text box. We can highlight our words and we can change the font if we would like. We can change the size, we can make it bold, we can change the font color. We can also change the background color of our shape by clicking. Make sure you click out of the text box and you're actually just clicking on your shape itself. Click on the shape, hit fill color, and then you can just pick what color you would like. Now you can also choose one of the arrows here to go to your next option. I like to use this simple arrow, so we will click and drag it onto our screen, and then we can click and drag to make it longer. If we also drag up or down, it's going to curve with us. So we'll just do a straight line. And now we will add our next choice. So click and drag the box here. They're going to have these nice handy blue lines to help you center everything or align it with what you would like. All right, and then just double click on the word inside and you can type in your own text. And then what's nice about this are these red circles here. So once you get on a red circle and they pop up on basically all the sides of your shape, this is going to auto format an arrow for you. So we are just going to click and drag and create an arrow. And then a box pops up and we can automatically choose a shape from here. So this is going to make this process go a lot faster. So let's just type yes. And then I want to do another one. So I'm going to click and drag my arrow. I want it to be about the same length, and I want it to stop curving. There we go. And then just find one of those red circles again, and we can just keep. And then we can make this bigger. We can click and hold and drag it around on our page, and the arrow is going to follow us wherever we go on the page. You can also rotate it if you really felt like it, you can do that. All right, click on the red line here, and we're going to click a shape. Let's do a diamond, why not? All right, and we're going to make this bigger. And I don't like the curve in that arrow, so I'm just going to Move it over a bit. There we go. We have a straight line. If it ever auto-populates, like you see, it's giving us the word yes in the middle of the line. And if you don't want that, you can always click on it and then just backspace or hit your delete key, and that'll get rid of that. All right, let's do another one, and it's gonna auto-populate the no for us. And I'm just gonna click on the no here and hit the delete key to get rid of that. And then, let's do this shape. I'm just picking random shapes here. All right, our flowchart is finished. You can always change the font, the color, anything you'd like by using this menu up here at the top. You can change your file name right here. Right now the file name is blank diagram, so we can change it to anything we'd like. And then when we're completely done, we can hit the file button, and then what we can do is we can export this. They give us a lot of different file options. I always like PDFs, my go-to. So if you click on that, and if this shows up and you don't want anyone to comment on it, you can just hit the X here. And then this is gonna be your PDF. You can crop it a certain way if you would like. Just hit cancel there. You can also crop to the content, so the page borders are gonna be right around your shapes here, or you can do a full canvas. So file format PDF, hit the download button, and then it downloads right here, and here's your flowchart. This concludes our overview of Lucidchart. It is a fun website to use, especially if you have to make flowcharts for a project, or maybe you just like to map things out on paper. If you have any issues or have any questions, you can always contact your local library and we would be happy to assist you.